Hi guys, good afternoon to all. Makinig lang kayo muna. I-try ko itong 4 strong winds. Hello Julie and Mary Morris. Diyan ka go out to Alberta, where there's no tears in the pool. I got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through some times or more. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'll never back this way. If I get there before this notice, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winters, not too much for you to do, and those winds you can go way out there. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'll never back this way. Sinsya na guys, dahil inuubo pa kasi ako ngayon eh. Laging may hika eh. Sensitive ako eh. Still I wish you change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this the times and more. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'll never back this way. I look for you if I'll never back this way. Thank you for watching.